Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Are you looking for a blow dryer that will blow dry your hair in half of the time, leave it shinier, leave it healthier, leave it smoother for a fraction of the price of these blow dryers out there that are going for $600 and up? Well, I have been using the TYMO AirHype Lite, and I have to tell you beauties, this blow dryer is seriously one of the best blow dryers 2023 for sure. So I couldn't wait to come on today and share it with you beauties and share a blow dryer review for the TYMO AirHype Lite. Now I do have it right here. And first of all, the first thing that strikes you about the TYMO AirHype Lite is that it is so lightweight, it is so compact, it is so easy to use, to blow dry your hair, to maneuver it around. You know, it's not heavy whatsoever. It is lightweight, super lightweight, especially compared to the Dyson. The Dyson is so big, so bulky, and it is very heavy, which leads to arm fatigue. A lot of times I have to stop in between blow drying my hair because my arm just gets so sore from using gets tired from using the Dyson because it is so large, so bulky, and it is very heavy. But in comparison, the TYMO is super lightweight. It is just a dream. The whole, you know, design of it, it fits so nicely in your hand. So it's just, you know, compact, again, sleek in design, exquisite in design. And now that is just one of the first features of the TYMO that I absolutely love, the TYMO AirHype Lite. Now, believe it or not, this blow dryer will blow dry your hair in half of the time. It does leave your hair silky, shiny, with less breakage. I'm experiencing my hair feeling so much more voluminous. It is growing longer because, again, there is less breakage compared to other blow dryers, which are too powerful. Maybe they are too hot and they'll wind up breaking and damaging your hair. The TYMO AirHype Lite is so gentle on your hair. The airflow is just perfection. It is a high-speed brushless motor, but it comes out in such a way that it does not damage your hair. It just keeps your hair full and sleek, and it's just pretty much amazing. Now, I do love to use my TYMO AirHype Lite for sleek looks. I really like to prefer my hair to look very sleek. So I do use this diffuser here. This is the sleek hair, the smooth hair diffuser. I call it the sleek hair. It's smoothing diffuser. And so this will make your hair so smooth. It does come with the TYMO AirHype Lite. And actually, before I go any further, I have to tell you beauties, this device, this blow dryer is only $99.99. I mean, you cannot believe it because there are so many on the market, $250 and up. And of course, so many know that the Dyson, it's going for what, $600? Whereas this device leaves your hair smooth, sleek, dries it so fast. It's just unbelievable. So I wanted to come on and share today a review for it. And is it one of the best blow dryers 2023? I definitely do think so. I actually was going to share some cons, but to be honest, I can't even think of any. I can't think of any. It's just phenomenal, and you cannot beat the price. So TYMO is known in the industry for their amazing high quality hair tools and hair products, because I also use the TYMO hair oil, which is phenomenal. So I did just do my hair, and I figured I would do a little tutorial, show you guys how I do my at-home blowout, quick and easy with the TYMO. This is also, so I will show you that in a moment, but this is also just so great for traveling because you can fit it in your bag. I know the Dyson did not fit in my bag. I actually wound up forgetting it when I went on a trip to California. I was in Los Angeles. I meant to bring it with me. It was so big, I couldn't fit it in my bag, and then I wound up forgetting it, and then I had to go buy a new blow dryer when I got to California, which cost me, actually I just went into the store and I didn't know about TYMO then, and I wound up buying a blow dryer. It was like $200, and it's nothing like this one. I just ran into Sephora, you know, and bought one, but I wish I had known about TYMO, the AirHype Lite specifically then, because first of all, it just fits so conveniently in your luggage, in your makeup, in your bag, because I have a bag which is like my makeup and my hair tools, and the Dyson would not fit. It's ginormous, but this fits like a dream in any luggage, you know, vanity case. So that is just another feature of this blow dryer that is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna again show you that quick blowout tutorial and just show you really quickly how I do it at home blowout with the TYMO AirHype Lite, and then I will be right back. So here is the TYMO AirHype Lite here. I just really wanted to quickly show you. It does also have this amazing cool shot. It has the, of course, the power button. And then on the other side of the blow dryer is the speed setting and the heat setting. You can use a low speed for low temperatures, a medium speed, which will have medium temperatures, and then there is the high speed, which will have high temperatures. And then there is the high speed with the cool shot. So I love to personally use the high speed, and I do use the high temperature. And then I will also finish off with a cool shot for an ultra smooth, shiny, and silky result. Traditional hair dryers will leave your hair over dried, frizzy, and with unruly strands. So I do start by applying the TYMO Weightless Hair Oil. This is an organic, nourishing hair treatment for shine, smoothness, and protection. So I just work this hair oil through my hair, specifically focusing and concentrating on the ends, and then I'll comb it through with my brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. I do use the highest heat setting and the highest airflow setting. There are 3 different settings that you can choose from in terms of heat and airflow. But before we get started, I do want to just show you how quickly this TYMO AirHype Lite dries my hair. So first I kind of do a rough dry with my fingers, you know, just working the blow dryer just through my hair to just, you know, get a quick rough dry. And then I'm going to move in to using my round brush. Sometimes I do use a paddle brush, just whatever is on hand. And so this is going to be pretty repetitive. So this is basically all I do. Once I get into the round brush or the paddle brush, this is it. Within 5 minutes, my hair is going to be dry. And so it's pretty unbelievable. My hair has been coming out smooth, sleek, and healthy. And it is actually getting healthier and healthier the more that I've been using it, because again, I'm having less breakage, I'm having less flyaways, less split ends, and my hair is just able to grow in healthy, grow in longer, grow in thicker, and more voluminous. So who does not love that? And another great thing about the TYMO AirHype Lite is that it is super quiet. So in my household, my husband goes to bed really early, and you know, I don't want to wake him up. So this is so beneficial because this blow dryer is so quiet that I could literally blow dry my hair in the middle of the night and I won't wake my husband up. And here is the finished result. It pretty much took me 5 minutes. So this definitely does cut down on hair drying time. Your hair dries super fast. It dries in half of the time basically. And if you have short hair, people have said their hair has dried in 2 to 3 minutes. So what is more amazing than that? You can get ready quickly, easily, and effortlessly, and be out the door ready to go, feeling good and confident about yourself. So beauties, how amazing was that? You know, because I did spend some time styling my hair, so it's basically 5 minutes it took me to dry all of this hair, because my hair has gotten super thick since using the TYMO. It's just having so much less breakage. I think that's what it is. It's just growing in thicker. And I do believe it is because of the, you know, the high performance of the TYMO, just not breaking my hair, just not causing damage to my hair. My hair is healthier, shinier since using this blow dryer. So I know before my hair was getting very frayed with other blow dryers. It was getting very damaged, having split ends, and now they're gone since I've been using this TYMO. So that's why I couldn't wait to hop on and share my review today and share how I've been doing my hair lately and loving this beauty device, this hair tool. So anyway, beauties, have you tried the TYMO AirHype Lite? I know they do have different versions, different blow dryers, but for me, the AirHype Lite is where it's at. It's phenomenal. It's an amazing price, super affordable basically in this market, in this industry for hair tools, which hair tools are just going for so much money now, like we said earlier. But this one, super competitively priced and amazing, effective, so good. So I really couldn't wait to come and share my review today and my experience with the TYMO AirHype Lite. So if you have tried the TYMO AirHype or any of the other TYMO hair tools, let me know down below because I would love to try more. And so let me know your experience. If there's any that you are loving, please let me know so I can test it out next. I would love to do that. So anyway, beauties, oh, and selfishly, I would love to have amazing, who doesn't want to have amazing hair and find the best tools out there? So please share the wealth of knowledge. So anyway, beauties, I hope you're all doing good. Thank you for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon.